All right, Okoman 97.1 ebredu se yebetena sene de agudie mu nsem a yabwebwa no eba bedan yeti for ene yahwefo atunidin Okoman Global Sports Afternoon Edition ana ene no yede ho nsem ni nyina enso ede eba behwe agudie mu nsem ensem akoso e wo man konkron Ghana ebibrem ene Europe abrochi memu specifically on the FIFA World Cup and also etodwa e wo Qatar no yede ho nsem ni nyina enso etumi ede aba ene on the 12th of December 2022 the year of our Lord ana ne yeremu aka nefu akakra na yede afini nyina yede bosum ne ba ne wie ya na we de yetebri the year 2022 yede nyina egu yechi na ya boeremu ewo 2023 na chese bibia nso no etumi aye kamanti ebedo obo ade ase pa se enei ode ya ba bewura December enafom kra from January to December and that from entino bibia kama hono na ene yebese nsemuni pi yebehwe ensemuni pi na yangahwe World Cup no yebehwe ho nsem yewia yebeba behwe oman konkron Ghana Black Galaxies yen Black Stars B no uremu a ene womo nsugu preparation so ene womo ye dia kwa uremu Algeria on the 13th of January 2023 ana chan tournament no betumi ato akoso enso honti yebekọ na yangahwe ensem kakra no so ekọ endrada womo bo ayonkofa kensie womo ne glorious impressive Accra House of Folk and etumi boy pram after that players ni bia kasa sanso ana manager ana assistant manager Bismarck Kobe Mensa womo nyina de nsem atugwa yebebo mo obi bia nso etie nsem a boys no ne managers no enso etumi ekekan ahead of womo preparation womo ye de akwa remu ewo Algeria no enso ehun ye bia yebeba behwem so far ohwe ahofama womo eye ene ahead of say yeba be start Ghana Bet Power Premier League no a eno nso no ebe den players yi ewo se womo ma womo kwan no womo ko club side effect the bad and the goose ni nyina yebeba behwe sedia enuoma nso no ebetumi akọ 40 man squad womo de ko remu no so far womo etumi akate no say hu e de aba be remu 29 3 days yemu a womo Kobe Mensa ekira womo de binu mu akofie womo de enwotwe bi akofie ni ade ayi mu a enti 29 aka no enum na womba be yi the possible 23 na womo tumi akwa represent your mind no enso ho ye behwe odi weni ekire other issues mu nso a enei yen juvenile level ana say yen national local side no junior side no GFA no apa ompanifo a womo bedi enim coaches a wodo ene womo technical men other staff a womo bedi team ni nyina anim no womo de aba betu gwa ye beba ne aba behwemu uremu U17 enso U20 na womo de new coaches etumi aba faces no aba kama enti ye de hu nyina enso ebetumi atudwa hono mo sanso ana uremu a GFA ni korona asanso announce say enei National Elite Talent Identification Program no womo be chase ye wuremu afi mu agenu ya womo ba be chase 260 ene camps a womo ba be ye ewo across board ewo oman ni nyina mu na womo de ahwehwe talent ye benya 3000 boys U17 and I say U13 and U15 3,000 boys na yenya 2,000 ladies and I say girls a woman so U13 U15 ye ba behwe se dia sa ni oman ni nyina ebesi akọ na ya behwe coaches a ene womo ba be handle yen junior level no junior side uremu under 17 a coaches na eba no any under 20 coaches a ene mpanifo de wo mudin atugwa no aso sa coaches ye betumi develop talent ayepe na ma transition etumi ayejuma na wo mu nyina benyin abeyen panipa aba bebo Black Stars the senior national team ana enti ye beba behwe say coaches no wo mu hwan ana say wo mu nya no betumi ayese ejuma ni nyina ama players no wo betumi nya enteteopa because ofa coach a ye mfa coach bia keke say uye coach ntino ye ma youth level wo betumi ayedabi ye wo coach bia enti coach bi wa youth level nko na wa ye ejuma throughout in career to akọ retirement eno ana hono nso no oyade wo nti ba behwe sansem ni nyina and many more ana yede ehonsem ni nyina no eba kind kitsi Regeness Hotel sebra ene upe baby aba beda yeba Christmas amanfo dodo na wo mbefi wo mu krom aba wo mu nsu krom ene bebre fi ku apemwa ejuma nti ebi wo nkran ebi wo America ebi wo UK ni ade oba Oba be PM dia eye Reginus hotel na ye kanfo dia ma oba fie aba be di Christmas no na bibia nso entumi enko so emfa emma rooms no wo mo woni chichim because wo mahu so man konkron Ghana se se enoma mu eden pa enti wo mo mforce ye wo rooms no ebia nso no nebo executive rooms e wo ho twin rooms enso e wo ho deluxe rooms e wo ho standard rooms economy rooms ana ene ube mu a swimming pool takra enso e da ho a anything wine na nso wetumi enjoy ama nyoma etumi akonkan conference room kakraka elho anase conference center ene dwumedie bia opese wo ye meetings awodo ni nyina mo ba be hie mu elho a nso betumi akwaje wo kama na wa yo program na bibie etumi akokama wo ko nyina se wo ka akoda ho wo ka akoye conference ne ade ni nyina echi no wo mo restaurant wo intenye fei na wo to aduane ahye wo ba gim anase wo pie akwakoto aduane wa abonten ansa na wasan ba bibia elho restaurant a wo mo ye aduane kama edukrom ekuapem ana ene wo mo ebuto elho betumi afrem penifo ene wo modi nkomododo na enso 0503 33cc wo matre wo muhyimu a ababedu upesika loan ede aye edwuma pa ade a ene no wo mo fasa nyoma we nyina startup loan elho emergency loan salary loan ana working capital loan ni nyina ebi elho a wo betumi aboawo ama nso wenye skade edi wudwuma dia wo hia se wo ye Ghana ni na ene ukura wo Ghana card oba wo nso betumi aboawo ama wetumi enye ska kama na wo de akwakoye edwuma frɛ won na wo mo enje nkyeremu dodo na enso 0302 200-390 and I say 0596-920-833. Quick credit lending made simple. Na nyoma nso yetumi aye kama Adom live band ene ye kanfo band ba ko pa ekuapem ade wo mowie enkran pupuni mantem bebia wo mowie other regions no ana ne ye tre ye nhiem ede akwa kopiem e wonti bebia de pe banda wo mo bebo onyom e wo dwumedie biara se a wa opese wo fa live band de e ya Adom live band ana me kanfo enso ede ama wo se ye wedding parties other ceremonial event bia wa opese Christmas yibe amanfo dodo na ana be ye parties ni ade a ene wo pe band papa de a e ya Adom live band ana me kanfo ede ama we kropon ekuapem aheya na wo mo ebutu a wo mo ofa ene dwumedie bia ama netumi ai kama fra wo mo 0242 26753 0242 na also one womo enso endi enkomo elho executive producer General Kofi Anson Bafo HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajmai AK Pa Solo Paradise Ajwa Opoku enso etemu na DJs Gibi DJ Donzi womo nyina eboa anamidin Krobea Asante mitemu jama AK ama dwumedie nso no etumi ai kama nti uremu ye live Facebook sanso na YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio Facebook uremu YouTube Okoman Radio 971 na nso wetumi I enjoy show no say akase radio no audio visual ene wutie no sound hwe na unya the clear vivid description of the stories a yede ni nyina backed by any pictures any videos any bibia na manuoma nso no etumi akọ enkan ene ye be hye dwumedi na ase quick na ye be hwehwe ensem no dodo na bring said ani wonti ye ba be kom yie ba before that ye nhwe ensem ba komienu bia eno nso eba eho FIFA enei unim say boa ye de bo arela enene boa official match boa ye de start group stages ni nyina ebedu quarter final semi finals no any finals no FIFA together with Adidas a womo sponsors a womo boa boa de ma FIFA no womo the new official ball a ye be use for the semi finals any finals no pe ana ne womo de aba eno ya to ni din all him eno the ba English ma the dream and one of the teams obi ebe winning the dream World Cup a opeso ogino obi beje inti Lionel Messi yo bo we ya mututu ni din sa no eno so ano no inti ubehu say nei Di Maria ene Messi no mu nyina wo mo de all him no wo mo emodi wo mu kurekura ball no training grounds a four teams na aka ni nyina wo mo de ball no komo obi a didi egori kama etwitwa mfoni eba kama inti rem wo Facebook ni YouTube a obe enjoy ball no so no pictures no na nyoma nso etumi akonka Argentina wo mo goalkeeper your friend Emiliano Martinez onu say post wo mo ni game a wo mo Netherlands boy in the quarter finals wo mo de be rem wo the semis no wo mo extra referee no ne modern ball ankonkan Antonio Matthew Lajos ono ye Spanish referee ne modern ball ankonkan na akoda no ko yusu yi word bia in court no wo mo de a kire say yusu useless edema referee no ensem fata anti FIFA wo mo atenase wo mo hwe say abrante na anhwa wo mo semi final game wo mo ni Croatia ebetumi abo edo chena na anhwa na abrante no entumi anye available enti ebre ene nkrabia say wo bompa ya na wetumi abompai e de ata abrante ne chi say wo mo bebo saa game no bi ansa na band na ba anase bibia ebetumi akokama na wo mo hwehwe mu a wo mo de ne bone so etumi achen anso wa wo mo si referee a ye frɛ no Antonio Matthew Lahos ezani se abrantie nsem o use tia wo no enye no enkire se wo modem a wo bo on the day eye poto no yenso so nti papa no wo mo abone na situ wo mo so nkopiem e wo Spain walande wo Spain na te se matches aka ni nyina de enya de FIFA be consider no so betumi edi matches ni bio nti Antonio Matthew Lahos FIFA sike bia wo mo de betua ni bia ejuma obeye wo mo de ama no asen etwa ni plane ticket aman kunkuran wakwa lande e wo Spain eno so ene kakra eno so eba yedi ni nyina enso ede eba enti eyi and many more ana ochina da games a eba no ochina ye betena so yewia ansana game no ye 7 pm Okoman Radio 97.1 e wo Okoman Arena ye beyi match no live e wo yen anim he ya enti ochina 7 pm 6:30 na waba betena se na bibia nso no etumi akwankan na bibia ye kama nti ye beba fie na ya hye nkomotwetwe na ase ye beba fie ekasimadu na ya pon a ubetumi afre aba na nso waba be kire wadwene ba now number no eno nso nie wo de text message eno WhatsApp nyina ebetumi afa so 0551 667755 0551 667755 WhatsApp message text message anase edubra ye be ye phone in na nso betumi afre enso e de aba na bibia etumi aye kama ye ba be hwe nsem no na bibia nso etumi aye kama ye ba be hwe ensem no na before that yen hwe coaches no aya ubewremu ewa ha coaches a womo etumi eyi womo ede aba no wremu ewo yen black satellite na say anetie black satellite no coaches no say netie a Jefi ede aba beto abontin coach Samuel Buedu formerly of Hasofuk ono ana ne obeye head coach ede ama black satellite a ye frɛ no under 20 youth team no ono ana nei obe handle ama bibie tumi ai kama nti uremu e wo Facebook a ube se zigi e display ni nyina e wo Facebook ai ne black satellite wo team no technical team no any head coach ni nyina da ho kama Samuel Bodu e head coach ana Desmond Ofei e assistant coach ana Efe Salifu Fatau ono so e assistant coach ana Fatau Dauda yen Fatau Dauda yi yen Fatau Dauda yi goalkeeper ono no ye goalkeeper trainer enso e wo black satellite sanso ana uremu e wo black starlet eno e under 17 U17 no black starlet wo mo so say net Abdul Karim Zito ono no ye head coach Laye Kinson yen Laye Kinson ya yen Laye ya ono no ye assistant coach ana Jacob Nati enso ye second assistant e wo hono mo Jeffrey Asare yes ono so ye goalkeeper trainer Jeffrey Asare ono na nei ono so ebehwe nti we no mo ne mpanifo a ene wo mu nyina yen eyi wo mo a wo mo ba be lead yen juvenile team no amanu man so no etumi akọ enkan ewo ho no mo na endra Black Galaxies winning by 2-1 against Hasofok. David Abagna eshe penalty ana Bright J enya second goal no ericount ana Bright friend no Befi etika ni mu baako edi makra Hasofok. Krobea Kumasi Asante Kotoko enso ebo friendly match wo mo ne bofa kwato no esu ayi repebrim wo mo ebo 0-0 obibie ntumi anto atena ba report eba ne kire se performance no nenye wo mo nkeka wo mo no so Zebo onkeka na wo mo no so kwesi ade be ya ye wremu juada na ye hye league na sinti other teams ni nyina enso ye preparations ebo host of friendly matches ene ade a wo ho no mo na eke yebe ye we no na yang etietie Kobi Mensa ejuma kakra wo mo nso wo mo ba ya wo motumi ebeye wo ho no mo nti yebekọ na yang etietie after endra friendly game a Black Galaxies boy no wo mo ne Hasofok no players ni bia kasa problems a wo mu face no ye ba bebo ni nyina ntima waso mu enda ho na tie coach na nkasa Kobi Mensa nsem okeka ne mu do yi papa na before then yentie wo mo striker Kofi Koji ono so kasa fa endra any so far said their camp enso etie wo pram
the tournament have been very fantastic because what we have hope and I pray that we go and bring the cup home. What I'll say is togetherness. I've seen togetherness in the team, in where we are now. It's like everybody love each other because when we are one, everything is possible. So as I've been in camp now, everything is okay.
we ensema striker Kofi Koji enso ede etuga after said ya nei womo eko campaign 3 weeks ni ana womo ko pram said ya nyoma ete ene draft friendly game a womo so boy no Maxwell Kwe ono so ede nsem kakra etuga yentie no.
We're prepared, but for now we are just waiting for the D-Day to come so that we can do it. We can move to OGS and see what happens there. We've been here for some few weeks and we had a friendly game yesterday. It wasn't bad, though we won. It was a hard fought, but it wasn't bad. And I think we will play more games before moving to OGS, and I think that are also among the preparation towards the champ tournament. And I think I won't say much, but I hope being in OGS will be something good for us because we are well prepared here.
Ene ensema Maxwell Kwe enso etumi ede etuga FA preparations a womo etumi aye so far no enso ehuna assistant coach aye friend no Bismarck Kobe Mensah ono so ede nsem kakra enso etuga so far 3 weeks in camp said the new man so AC Ako.
For now everything is okay. I think the only invitee Binuma I think last Friday about 7-8 players went home. No man know that too. The number is around 29, which it was within the week so according to the head coach with the technical team. I think Obama Kakasmi Akofi. But so far, no, it's not bad. In fact, actually, last week training the intensity and seriousness and players will be after the or make out the squad. I think it's not bad. The only challenge is that I think as a team, Black Galleries, the type of, the right friendly matches to play. Because so far, looking at the time of the start competition is 13th January. And we should start playing high-profile games, international matches and all that, just to test the level of the players, the readiness of the of the team. So, any down there, lucky, you hard to hook in your own way. A point in time, it was difficult to, have a team that meaningful to play because across most of them have been rented out and that. It's a bit sad, a national team I have qualified for.
Niti eyi ene ensema Bismarck Kobe Mensah enso etumi ede etuga na numu na ndra game a wo ball pram no si pitch pa nie pitch na wo ball no wo so ne de enye kra na amboa de wu a na wo pese wo ensi akan no
center ha field was not conducive because in Famodo and to control and play your game that you really want to know, it was a bit difficult, but we managed it. We came down from a go down to beat a very good side, Hartlepool. Hartlepool have the best squad in the league, in Ghana League, Premier League now. And the level was good. We competed with them very well. At the end, you could see there, these are the matches. Obetum are preparing very well for the tournament.
We any matches awodwa ebetumi aboa ama wo so etumi akọ Algeria akọ hwini osanso de nsem tuga se friendly matches ene se de ampanifo aye nhihye ne de onje ndi se ebetumi aboa akra nti ebeya wo mpe international friendlies bi na wo so ntumi mbo na prepare wo ye ahead of the tournament.
Second division, first division, but now I am smart matches. To be fair and to be honest, if you really want to, you are going to compete at the highest level. After 1 month to the tournament, you don't play mismatch matches. That is what I'm talking about. To get those international maybe by now, maybe I arrange this weekend in Senegal, either Senegal or national team or U20 team or even black guy, the level of the local stars to play. Now those are the matches. Over to 1 million, the level that we are, practically. And so these are the friendly matches I'm talking about. But
NTA ene Kobe Mensah assistant coach edema Black Galaxies enso no etumi ede etugwa yede ni nyina enso etumi ede abantino yebewrem ofie na efe yaba aba behwe ensem no yebewrem ofie na yaba behwe ensem no mema abedwafo akwaba na bibia enso no etumi ahyasa kama
Krobea
bibia fine
trade am pon Roma bibia kama sounds on here
body adama
weekend ni ko here
bibia kama endra ne de we she demu at we say ma say pia ba here endra fia no pa
we she demu sa
endra fia no pa she demu as a de achi And only idea is kakra.
Yeah, we are fine. We are fine. Yo.
And from an found.
Oh, me okay. Me okay.
Environment in here.
Oh, when then we are come.
Okay. Solo.
Krobea.
Bibi I fine.
Oba de Adam. Bibi I boko.
Udaye.
Onyame Adam. Udaye.
Udi ukwechire. Intina etiden. And after Saturday you free here.
Yeah. Bibi I boko. And I'm going for the outside.
Oh, okay.
But maybe do be 7 more. And you may. And you actually the Bibi I boko.
Yeah. You would have finished there say utumtutuni omayi.
In the account. And I don't can dance. You may be so quiet and come papa back could be so person.
Oh.
But Yamia
Okay. Well, and you know, sanity. Yababe share Black Galaxies, coaches in Libya Casa, players in Libya Casa. Preparations so far on the 13th of January. Na ye share tournament na say ene ye 12. Internet say 1 month pepe na ye shi dwumedie no nso no ase 1 month pepe na ye shi dwumedie no enso ase na womo abo House of Folk Thursday AAB womo ni Legon Cities ana airbo yate Kobe Mensa o che say friendly matches bia womo se womo ba bo no ndi ohun say emboa na emom womo hia international friendlies obo Senegal din na che say ohwe other part of the African continent na ho na say wo muntu kwan kobo but kire say we num no emboa we ye by the assistant coach ana ekasa no nti ye ba be hwe preparations no 40-man squad wo mo de akwa koma CAF dada out of this 40 no enum na wo mo be yi 23 and already ochra nipa ba wo twede and 3 days in wo mo send wo mo say wo mo nkofie wo mo modern wanso ni wo camp nti 29 akan wo be yi 23 efim womo ne be tournament no finally enti yenhwe players a womo camp nti sesi o kire se nsakra bia intumi mba player bia se yede ni question bia ye ba be start league you be man home ne sukra ye intumi mfa ni nhemu enti with strikers ayewo midfielders any defenders ayewo no womo betumi akobo ho modern wo ho e de amayen ana eno ana ye ba be hwe ye wi a so far download any banie any 2 players a womo join camp download any banie download wo free kata buy ne ho mfa no sanso na bani enso ne maame condition kakra ntino o fia ono nso ehwe se momi ho ebetumi aton akoye se Raheem Sterling dini bia ntino bani ne maame ho fan nti ono nso ewo ho a wo hwe ye wia nti you know the next 10 minutes ye wie ye ba ne ye ba be hwe appointment e dia ma ye juvenile side no ye ba ne ye ba be hwe sa akoji solo maame cha sinfimfiri wo
okay. Krobea minchia etiefu Okoman radio 97.1 na fi omo so mo share yen e wo Facebook no so ewie nchi akese enso ntumi en confirm omo mo hwe chan tournament ya tournament CAF for the transfer yen hwehwe in the year 2007 share say ye betumi abo tournament bi a ebe local based players no nko because AFCON ayebo Africa and African Cup of Nations, no? Foreign based players and so efra. Some of the countries, no, they share their performance of the local based players, no, more or national team. Example like Ghana, you call such a tournament, you local based players, no, you share that informal tournament in baby. You senior, you may see a call and cover for SHS and your manual, and got 2 FIFA G2. So the year 2009 and a tournament, you know, a chassis say yeah, and 8 teams and a CAF a chassis Ghana Kobe that made in addition. No, you qualify Eko PMO grand finale. Amfa my make I Chastela no and a cowboy the Black Stars B then time near from local Black Stars and yes so no Black Galaxies. Omokoye Eko to new man Amfa Momo grand finale. The next season, year 2011, almost a boy, Uncle Yan Farmer Ghana. Yes, Uncle year 2014, you were more finals and also performance no. Uncle Yan Farmer and also young to me Anje 2016 omo bae ebe boy 2018 2020 na fe this year yes I babe boy next year the ewuramu because of COVID-19 delay bia etumi ewuramu but last 3 tournament ato Ghana into qualify nko bi and the performance no share that nko ye because ye can Africa hano mo ye ka say e ba no footballer ye ka ho ye modern no e ya de ye wo soro e wa Africa ye bo giant e wo football mu Africa Ghana ye bo ye ndin de ka ho and e do be da bia na ye ka say ye leg no one of the best e wa Africa so we leg ye one of the best now such a tournament koso players o league ni mu an ye de omo na say 3 seasons and I say 3 tournaments atwa mu ni na no untumi nkomu ba kokora na che say o league no bafam but this time around yamen child ye tumi qualify ko jama wo Algeria and wo hwe se ne o mesi ye ko wo mu am ye ne o man bi ti say Morocco Madagascar and afa Sudan and wo group mu wo hwe Morocco such a tournament we win 2 times only DR Congo and a country we win twice a tournament no and so Libya and the other ones no win 1-1-1 and so Morocco won China ball and the league no so a league a African competition like Champions League Confederation Cup omo dominate omo players need modern no konkan omo clubs no performance no enso ya de e wo soro enso wo that competitions no enso yemu enti omo so modern no ya de e wo soro e wo tournament ni onimu bo send ne bo no esiete Sudan enso ya one of the countries eba na Africa anuma omo league no ohwe Ahila omo modern mo send omo Denedi enso ewo CAF Confederation Cup CAF Champions League show say yes sa clubs we dum na no omo so mu ni mode ye beka sa Madagascar and a country bia bia nioma nko yie ana say Zimbabwe ye group na Madagascar and Zimbabwe Madagascar okay anti omo and ye beka say ba no Africa hanu mo omo modern share da eni suru bebre sa ewo football nim and omo league no ye share that enhu no say ya ni o mesi ekọ enso tumi edf but football there untumi right obia off because this time around football ma ye say edu ba bia enka no kore no say ya ye na ye pese ekọ enti nia wo ye wadwen so obetwa fan so no aba bebo e da fa so e de ekọ and Ghana ye share nim say this time chan tournament no ye betumi akọ perform here o ye coaches what that side one head coach coach Ano Walker or coach be a ban experience in terms of coaching or was sort of the madam or sort of ye who ye near Great Olympics or do my ye now and maybe a Olympics team no empo ye can anka ye can Ghana Premier League clubs are performing and can Olympics and can but it take you coach Ano Walker and do mobile wonders and send a wo free one and so to me aircom and we coach Prosper Nate Oguma or assistant coach or also another coach ebano football no was soon DM as a coach educate from Wafa every Wafa every day kotoko ebeje leg ana kumasa santoko apre no muntu mi enya yehu performance or denedi edema santoko toko or your coach ebana disuya the modern no osoro ono su kita that experience no copy mensa another coach in terms of experience ye na yehu nia wode Karala team no enso enti modern no so ya dia e osoro sa coach say edi Black Galaxies enimu no o modern no osoro players no do na so ehu national teams no bo obi te say a free Banier for instance under 20 wafa ho akobo Black Stars and now oko World Cup every World Cup aba and that experience our national team no every Banier ekita Danlad Ibrahim from under 17 20 23 and Sana Black Galaxies in Ankasa and I coach the senior national soccer team Black Stars in Ankasa Danlad and Suehum Oba Mo Al Hassan of Accra to Foka went to me and make his squad no but a lot of players obi to say player will free Wafa eba had to foki kuna do yadom or equally good player about the center pair ne more the money idea e was from Kofi Koji for the first time make us when you call up I was squad in any final squad in my idea but a bit me about say obeka home and so to me a tournament nibi Kofi Koji a bad experience or how to folk and so now free has and so I call you or was or sound by how to folk as I'm boy ye na ye hu adwuma Kofi Koji eye edema how to folk team no e wo mu say oba ye the second come na shut down here to say near na owo ho first no but Kofi Koji striker bia ono so na bad experience owo ye kita a lot of players and all your players are omo local blasters na a lot no players omo deserve call up no ye make say your best players our your league them and they are form at the omo akwa tournament no near aka and it's a good preparation tournament they are kwa preparation no na also we and yes ya camp our Ghana Soccer of Excellence and kwa and they make say omo preparation blasters ko tournament ya form nko pram some nko camp 5-star hotel and the Black Star team no ekwadam when so ya Black Stars and ye didn't the answer and the Black Galaxies are from local Black Stars team B. Sa players winner to me free baby omo about na senior national team no Black Stars. Enti ye mo preparation ye matches omo bebo no enye local based play teams no na omo bebo friendly matches no nko a ye mo international matches ni bi no mo so no mo prepare omo ho because player bi wo ho no mo a that international stage say no onko bi da player or division 1 onko bi da me ye Diana Stars players Asante Kotoko Hato Folk me dear manu players bi NAB Bubeka say omo kobo Africa akobo Confederation Cup akobo Champions League and the ban say that stage you know omo akogina bi by a pen but who for player be from Bechem United 11 Wonders e bi no mo free division 1 that's all conform with the omoba now also with the omoba be rom now the omebo how to folk friendly matches on kwa o the omebo Lagos City friendly matches on kwa now mo mu nkochia other countries no mo ni omko akochia no a I don't know now fa hwe mai enti yes rempa for say international matches now come men second yes and we here ya mo mobi at least omobo 2 kura eye and the players no be who how omko tournament na so omko akobo because ya dikin akọ finals 2 yanje and you to me merchant tournament our Africa Ghana ebe kwa kobo bia ba kokura you to me nje aya bobe 4-5 seasons you to me nje ba kokura enya de ebe bo anti say ye person ye can say yes ye league no one of the best our Africa there I also your perform here and preparation no omo ye ni ye mfema team no me dey say with impanyfo a lead team no any players ekita ye no so omo nya good preparation ye betumi akoya the tournament na ase
right see ye nya good preparations ye betumi akoya the amani oman so yetumi akonkan ewo tournament no so no ase elho na uko Facebook before I buy ke on Facebook Kofi Ajman Blackmore they about say good afternoon watching you inside Pig Fan in Accra. Okay, yeah, that's the second so Oshe and Starboy. They about watching the show live and clear at Ahafomim Airport. Champion Kevin and Ponsan Eddie. More fire. Congratulations to Morocco for eliminating Portugal. Greetings to Filippo Etimatim Tactics Man Oyibo Boaten and my lovely father. No joke. Sansom Ana Jao Sebe Amekom Anyimfie about watching you live from Gospel Oak Baba Shop inside Amekom Kumase. Good show. Okay, good show. Yanso yada wase. Also be to me the message about Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1. Na YouTube unso no Okoman Radio 97.1 now so wait to me at the one sema ba obe to me afre. Aha, obe to me so afre number no enunye nsakra kakra itumi aba. Enti number no nie 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 ekasi madu na yasori dumedie no so a na wafre mesen announce na wetumi afre 0205 818 748 eke
Korea yensama eti for kwaba view my one sim Black Galaxies I think say solo akadodo na and as a country say a tournament na preparation no when ya ya enyare a okwa obetimi a perform yinyara yenim say ebano omaima ya tournament team ya man much attention and much resources in terms of preparation here you know the Black Stars of Ghana. And the Black Stars are the Black Galaxies and so no Black Stars maybe and can from the local Black Stars but then from the Black Galaxies and you know I think Zanka and boy any support any attention I say the Black Stars and equally the Bima the Black Galaxies are and also no ever boy coach Kobe mentioned some kind I think say now Kasa in place of an worker HM say they need international matches yes true. You to mean Kobo tournament over hard to folk Ghana now about lower tier team Ghana. No, you need to play an international matches. Black Stars Eco World Cup. Fine, I'm preparation. I'm more any local team wow. I'm play the likes of Nicaragua, the likes of Brazil, and I think Switzerland. And if only we want the Black Galaxies to go and perform, Keto Kreku, FA, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, Mustafa Yusuf, and the government on a day. And yes, I call World Cup about maja football and they at work. You call World Cup on Kwan Black Stars on Kwan and you must attention. This things must stop. These things must stop. You the attention nibi and so then farmer at the local Black Stars. I mean, you say budget you had to call World Cup and it's just a bibiraka. It's just Sunday bibiraka yinim bibiraka because in total no share group stage some can spend 8 million. It's just Sunday bibiraka. Monchani will be anchored the local the Black Galaxies. That's the local Black Stars. Now and strengthening more games, more proper facilities, training, Black Stars by the 5-star hotel near the way they want to mark pram. And I been the Black Stars I could campaign pram.
And okay, Ocha from Benin and Nigeria game no Bepemene Womunje 1 CD.
Yes, it's true. More bonuses behind the bonus, the winning bonus they say the more the match against Benin and in Nigeria. As of now, far more. But the Black Stars are you have crowns and on Black Stars, yeah, Momusikano crowns and on game. No, what kind of country is this? What kind of FA is there be what is good for the goose is good for the gander. Oh, in the you know what's why am Black Stars are Ubi Abajo also say in terms of preparation near the Oyama Black Stars na Jine Koji Gu, you know. Yeah, the same thing man the local Black Stars, the Black Galaxies. What I say, pram she ball and no park for to be on ball also. We sit in this country, you need baby a campaign national team. National team, you need baby a campaign. Sorry, Ghana Soccer Center of Excellence. Pram. Best for best I need deal with almost a page or pram. How many months in here? So we sit here and we do our things as if we are in a banana republic. FA network. Me say ya call World Cup your fourth time in here. Secure PF World Cup. Want to me fans and see bon can say I pitch way at the amount mine. You to see hotel way say Black Star Hotel. You to me you be na Black Star be campia. Na you don't want to 5-star hotel. Na local Black Star yeah. You say mo kwada pram na tum kwariyo. This is total stupidity and nonsense. It doesn't make sense. So I say everything your Black Stars, everything your Black Stars. Local Black Stars, they deserve better. And a coach na Bekano, fin of him and Benin, Bepim Nigeria, give more bonuses. You expect them to go to a tournament and go and do well. No. Although Morocco a group Morocco elbow World Cup but the FA of the Moroccan FA, no, any Morocco World Cup and you. Because when we said just after the World Cup or tournament are all for the local side. Into also the preparation so I say, Moroccan FA Moroccan, I mean, sports minister or but the idea, your sister Yaku and Cho Yang questions. Now, ya befia, you know, say Black Star befia, call 2 weeks in the young far resources in it be, young far attention and support in fan come on. But I mean, say the crop of players I want to, your mom that support. And your money, but giving them that resources, that support, you know, they will deliver. The only exception of Oma qualifies, you know, about more than, but I think say Ghana Premier League and Air Course, so number them one air drop here, Mohamed Al Hassan. I can't be that coach in to me dropping, but when we said before the tournament, you know, about a couple of matches in the Premier League, I bet man at Kenya, or no, I saw Kenya, no.
Mohamed Al Hassan maintains you.
Yes, me. I've been thinking about it. A certain Mohamed Al Hassan and a drop, you know. But I mean, sure say tournament in Bedusu, I don't know. Said Mohamed Al Hassan, Bebo.
And on to me deadline. One more cruci. Almost close deadline.
Well, I think say send your Black Stars. Say also make us say attention, preparation, and support. And send any black and farm the local Black Stars. On the Black Stars proper no. I'm walk up. I drop Jeffrey Slobin. We were asking questions. Sadness now coach and I drop in. I think the coach and not Walker any compliments and the technical team should come out and let us know the reason why I'm dropping Mohamed Al-Hassan, because in the qualifiers. On the Kunedu Yadom and I ball 4 and 5, and he was solid at the back. About the transitioner, or J ball from defense, SG forward, it to me push it into attack. I remember against Benin Huawei, I say go, and even we need penalty crowns, so it's made him against Nigeria. It was this place and I said Bani Amone, Suraj Sijuman and I said so center backs, you know.
Yeah. I think inexperience.
Because I don't see Vincent Atinga inexperience.
Because Obaye team na ye osisi ano abrante efe no Kunedu Yadom na ngasa bae no. I think say ono kran hye nya ni ye e wo house of folk. So with echire hono now ono na e wo so onye leader e we echire wo play because na wa bo.
Yes, and Krobea Oshe with Kunedu Yadoma only put 2 minutes in the body central defense pa that understanding no Mohamed Al-Hassan. Now I feel about try this players now that been a question but that been understanding everything. So I think say we need explanations. We know Vincent Atinga, we need explanations and you know you say maybe if you know any Ministry of Youth and Sports my attention and come so now provide with the necessary niamo here. The local blocks are here. No more organize international friendlies and for more ones than a tournament, you know, to do so.
Okay, and also Eneka Cry came so to go with regards to Black Galaxies, one more tournament that will win come January 13th January pepe and our tournament and also no share preparations I would draw one more year at the Aquaco Rimu because next week yes start league you know players you want to break camp be abeko the various clubs and the parents club akwakobo games I would run idea ama wo money idea you know ehunhia preparations dey ehunhia papa say ye betumi ayemo now over to me the WhatsApp text message aba and also number anase kakra WhatsApp text message any text message now betumi dey aba SMS any WhatsApp you know the beba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Sansono ana ene yegusua ekasima be yedu ne apon a na won so wetumi afre 0205 818 na nyoma etumi akonkan eke yemehwe mehwe ase efi wo yemehwe yen juvenile level no Black Starlets ye de amasa mobedu under 20 a 2021 ya ana Karim Zito as a head manager omukọ eko win trophy no e de buy let be free ye ban ye ne download the kuya mpenifo a wo mudi team nanim ekoji trophy ni buy now ono na akoji trophy na ba ye nga shift no e de na under 17 and ye de Samuel Boedu akwa under 20 nti Samuel Boedu ene ana goalkeepers trainer Fatau Dauda ana efe no oba satellite na starlet na eno no ye papa ene ye friend no wa friend nkra Papa Abdul Karim Zito yes ono no ko win 2021 e demand 20 no ene ye de na be chire wa ko win trophy mo bi mbehye obi ontu nso bre chire be fafi U17 okay 3 to 4 minutes na yenhwe
we are the U under 17 and under 20 we share the technical appointments abana Coach Samuel Boedu, you know the pedigree in a local league, winning the league with Hearts of Folk, winning the FA Cup back to back with Hearts of Folk, and when you had a call up with the under 17, I think now he was with the under 17. He was with the under 17. Not assistant, not head coach, man, under 15, and he had under 20. A head coach. Krobea, I think it's a good appointment. Looking at the caliber, number of teams are what to be a coach, Mediama, and I had to focus on it. Cast on to me, Ingrumi, players at under 20. I think it's a bit my and the deputy. So, and I think so. Fatau Daudamo at me Euremu. I think it's a appointment here. Kuba Krobea, the problem is under 17 or under 20. Under 20, would be okay with the appointment. Under 20, Karim Zito, head coach.
17 Karim Zito.
Yeah. Karim Zito under 17 good. I don't know the omko under 20 from Kobo friendly match wo.
Yes, even the last under 17 no crano.
Sana 24 no dem ko Japan ko tournament bi. Omo tuma say Indonesia na ade no.
Yes. Say no amfa no echiri na or the under 20 ko je
under 20 na under 17.
Or the ko je Nations League.
So you if you under 20 na dem under 17 it doesn't make sense because again if you coach here they under 17 you promote the coach. Now the now under 20 and now he was working under 20 and why I'm koyi ofili ya under 20. And just untumi nyine di.
And that 20 so unfairly you okay. The last way I you so no J trophy no.
Me say omo ko tournament for Japan.
Ofeli e. Enu eji no otutu ni nyoma ye. The last edition no dey.
La omo je ansa no mebo under semi omo Japan
ball. No, 2021 ya na yakwaje. 2021 ya na yakwaje. Won ko gu omo ni aseba ansa.
Enti
we need the last year ya o.
Me say Karim Zito adwuma na ye dey man ye job for the boys. Yenya enu Karim Zito Dreams FC. And the change it's supposed to be a Dreams FC person. And yeah, the man. But all the same, yeah, the man. Yeah, sure, the modern boy under 17 because I think it's like instant being the under 17 assistant coach. It makes sense to me because you know the modern boy or Gumi and under 15 or something. I don't we need tournament or Italy. I think that I know can be a man appointment and the right direction. Our former players, to me, Eddie Omshishimu or that aspect now, and also Beboa. Other appointments, and I think it's me. Okay, my only problem is Karim Dito. Jenchanache. Say or not. Oh, you know, we call up or whatever. Yeah, free players quite na 17 na. You know, we call up or whatever. Quick one on under 13, under 15 policy. Okay. Honestly, as a country, and when you want to have a nice football and win tournaments, you need to have plan. And I think this is the right direction. My man say, on Ghana, the idea and say, it to me put a plan, but how to implement the plan. And it's under 15 and under 17. I think it's Oman and Inco. If you want to win trophies, Oman and Inco, no invest in no also set up here comes
260
comes and maintain so build the facility now ya campion man say and kola no obo one or district
anka me ba be busa say baby a me what problem no here sa 260 comes no and no be any den
Krobea so cause 260 come I get to understand say about district because you're over 260 something districts and to be sure say district be no ye be buabu ankwada no na ye groom I think there's another
I campion mo wan.
That's what I'm saying say if you really want to do this you need to put up infrastructure so facilities
we who remove her dreams di anegu no.
Yes, you need to put up
yes. Anka ye nice place this time.
Under 13
yes,
under 15
anka to me campion. Kwhwe aka wrem.
Oh, you know coach. So obo ankware ya no under 12 and under 15 year there. You come to him, or pick one or two players from there, or pick it from other towns. Then you get a facility. Once as a country, baby, Now you don't start to groom the kids and sign up facilities among get the facilities, groom them, and I say you get them Odomako Center, then you groom them from there. Because and I'm more used to those facilities any
Pram na senior teams in one egu.
Pram na she know
into facilities now across board okay over Eastern region ha what the fan say
Eastern region any facility be how
Papa
yes Kofodia Sports Stadium Kofodia Sports how many years ni Kwashen Koko Sports Stadium
not even the stadium okay like proper academy structure yes sa infrastructure academy
now the whole country any academy in a national academy so, the whole country
260 we no sa comes no me who say okakwa ji school dying say school for makwanga yes that is another because me say na me who no name
and so
be no okakwa ji school dying na ko dem
come school by
at least school be no
private school
at least school be a mini pitch be a wo mo AUC so what I say at least pitch be a we a wo mo UC so what I say and say wo mo AUC a at least ebetumi aboa na sa mini pitches na wo schools ni mu no o mo etumi ada we ya me from me we ya me
me ba solo ministry now ministry for youth and sports and can ministry of education youth and sports education akọ before so and intercolleges ko e jabo primary school sports ye pa ne ye ni nyina nkoso biem and ke koso that's where you get the under 13
and under players in there free
First, and can you go school? Your boss school team, you call zone or Senate district in the idea. So I know when you quality at the championship, when you call by a name. The thing is, we are sick. See, we are sick. We don't want to invest. You just can't do a num. Abe Jana ko walk up abase and now there you the plan be about under 30 under 50 facilities in a way. Where are the facilities? I don't training that way. You don't have it. You don't have it. We just come and say something to the send the black star pressure and
because Mikra, especially on the side of the girls, no. Okay, sir.
Campaign
Ghana have any sports facility, Papa Bia or any constituency. Any Papa Bia.
Maidens, no princesses, no more crowd. You to me campaign.
Almost rest part. Sabi for one part. Now I can't don't. Gallons. Matan Okoman na de pa ko mo no mu kura gallon
ekupu so fro bi fie e wo pram
omukura mu to say na 30
no mu kura you to be
where are the facilities and where are the structures they should come again they should start with this
under 13 girls there under 13 girls there how I will betumi a campaign ahwe o musu ye my one okay and when odia wo mo ye no say enya de on before obi a over the range of even 13 11 years to 12
we understand
some of our
policy in there
you to me implement
how are they going to implement it me we don't have the facilities
implement Krobea or kan keke yete ya
full lines
and yeyi Samuel Boadu say under 15 head coach adwuma ben na sa position ye de man no oye e wo ho player ben as of friend no you to me implement
0205 818 748 Fre now so be kire wadwene 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 na onso waba na waba be kire wadwene na bibia so etumi aye kama e wo ho no mo ntino no say ketokreku ye ba be ye hello enti no ubetumi afra ba 0205 818 748 na enioma nso no enkonkan eyi no unse dodo na wo mu we yi ni suo nti no aha ni sese no data boy den nioma no boy den ti bra na be kan wasem keto kreku Ghana Football Association yes leader ene de aba betuga 11 to 12 years both in Bemano ene in my one nyina ye be camp wo mo ye hia 5000 in Bemano 3000 and am Bemano 5000 and am my one eye 2000 ye be camp wo mo nyina constituency bia na ebi wo mtino ebe edwe pa ebe edwe
no kra na baba isika jeje ye ko ji we sika nkora no kwa ye be select na nkasaka ye corruption be piem
anti
manim e wo Koforidua stadium and at 17 I boy justify coach Pakwesi Fabian mi madim nioma akoso minimum player okobo justify ni bi Pakwesi Fabian ka kire ni brain nye brain fa say before obenya selection no adu atua
Krobea party
ametumi a player na man now na kasa
party na
I will show you so
party din party was part of under 17 and under 20 ye film ye pamo no me coach or your selection of those players and me need din komo or say ye ni film
anti okay
ono no recruit party no or no call baby den ko bo one and we copy mu abrochiro bo no bo. So all these things na nkasa and under 13 and ye baba kwa omo baba gigi sika kodi
anti okay now me hu say yen senior level no e Black Stars so they were players no ekun sika ho na wo ma ye say enya ade a wo mu be hu oman ni nyina mobo even when we find ourselves in a very difficult moment but 100,000 any other bonuses and the wo mu be gini nyina ne say what the player efasa ni oma we nyina mu na onya no way baby ko ne fe ni more than one ko kan now friend ba Black Stars
Kylian Mbappe e do be ni etu ya no winning bonus anjo dinja wanje ne nyina ne say o say oman ne e share no investi woni e grooming no man nyi here it is say on minor grooming this players from under 13th 15th 17th 20 23 and a Black Stars are oba demand sika there be cause we say we invest But when you don't invest in those kids, no, on one fifem no kunya na bro jibi ko bona afre na. Beji 100,000 ansa na mabo. Beji 150 ansa na mabo.
And this is under 17. Okay, you nyina yenim say ye said ya nyina ye can most of the time on transition. Ye benya players one more ebenya so done because when ubo under 15, ubo under 17, now ubo under 20, now ubo Black Stars that spirit, you know, that agency, you know,
yes,
abo minor.
Yes,
but I think say inti coaches are ne younger power under 17 under 20. Ye benya that competency, that fairness in terms of selection. Under 17 level, say ye be under 17 World Cup, ye be under 20 World Cup. Ye benya ohie ni bia oni hwi obetua. Ye benya player oni agency, ye benya player oni obi obetume so ninsa. But wo di ni gina we dwuma ne de obeye ne ye asin wo mo no ne wo compete no. Enti ye benya sa fairness ni wo mu.
So the microphone man
Coach
Nankasa bisa 17 goal. When was the last time?
But you just have fairness no. Coach Nankasa what 2 years?
Fabian, so now you under 17 goal.
Why then for so many years? You just
can't find ODD.
Bribe not JJ from players now. Tienya.
Na say I say pa kwesi kasa o si den achede. O se bi wo ha o tete mo frane sa obi wo ha ne ba wo na wo pagya ne ba ntino. No ana wo mo ne nam so ana. Player ben say players no does na pa kwesi fit tete.
Player that's why under 17.
What is anti
player that's why under 17.
Anti no abrena son happy birthday ekene ye Amagina birthday. Amagina ene ni birthday.
Amagina
ama
be. Sure boy say me word ba mo.
Efi bama.
Hi.
Efi bama.
Oh. Majira kra. Me am tell for Majira. I am Amagina. Yes. Me me friend on Napo. On the obua kra. On the body ni gina so.
Yes.
It's okay. Amagina.
Ti birthday ka se pa
confirm no. Samson I see you the platinum images. Oyeba.
Oh, okay.
Oyeba so Oyeba birthday.
Okay.
It's no young wish Oyeba happy birthday. And I feel so no Rabna Bine. Yes, I think so. Rabna Bine. Yes. Edna Sewa Bine. Sewa Bine. I don't say any birthday. Now buy wa kama pa. No mucha.
Yes.
Edna Sewa Bine. No affair. Pa. You know. You wish happy birthday. And baby girls na. Amagina fine girl. Okay. Sewa Bine is fine girl. Now she platinum images. See you are fine. Just say. And then on a special Monday.
Yes, Monday and a special Monday.
I wish you happy birthday.
Yes. No. Spanky. Spanky Blaze.
I was an birthday.
Debbie Michiano.
Okay.
Michiano
Kwade fine.
Spanky ye bidin komo. Ye bidin komo we chire ona. Bibie to me aye kama solo yako.
Say you want to be any actually.
Oh, okay. Echire din. Ya bedo obi bia so jebre ese ne bre ne data wo mo adwani wo Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 wo ma wo mutie frequency 97.1 ene obi bia ya bedo obi bia so ase executive producer Yenra Kofi Anson ba for HOD Nana Kofi Okore Ajman AK Pa Solo Paradise DJ Donzi Sanso ana DJ Zigibi mi ginemu edma AK mi din ede Krobea Asante me soro so ama dwumedie awodo no a enso etumi atowaso na bibia nso no etumi aye kama